sometimes people.
Why do I think everyone is a minus for us? Like, are we
Yeah,
gonna die
guys are.
single? Like,
क्या
not
करे?
living single, but
अभी तो लिविंग सिंगल भी है.
ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
It's most beautiful time.
Okay, let's play.
Bamboozled.
You just got bamboozled. Don't waste on a sexual thing.
तो हमको रिएक्शन देना है ना बेसिकली कि क्या रहता है.
हाँ.
He's a 10 but he says scene. He says scene
And replies 6 hours later.
and replies
He sees your message and then reply. हाँ, says नहीं होना चाहिए था.
say WhatsApp says that.
तो आता है instant ऐसे कि
मतलब ठीक है. I feel there are days जहाँ पे it's okay, people are busy and it's okay they
no,
if
I
they reply.
understand the person could be working. मैं नहीं
हाँ.
चाहती खाली आदमी बिल्कुल बैठा. But अगर like कभी चलता
मेरे
है
दिल में ये
कि
ख्याल आता है.
और ये 6 घंटे बाद वाला रिप्लाई तो मैं कभी मैं भी नहीं झेलूंगी. इट्स लाइक दे रहा मैसेज अब तू कर reply, अभी कर. नहीं कर सकती या नहीं कर सकता तो इट्स लाइक
निकल बे.
ही इज नॉट अ 10, ही इज -5 फॉर मी.
मैं भी उस केस में आती हूँ जहाँ पे मेरे को याद रहता है कि हाँ आई विल रिप्लाई टू इट देन आई फॉरगेट अबाउट इट बट सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट गाइस
और फॉर अस ही कुड बी अ 10.
कभी कभी चलता है.
कभी चलता है. हाँ, गुड.
माई फ्यूचर हस्बैंड
He's a 10. He still asks what you doing
with no plan. I'll do you.
Or you should be like already made plans for that.
Plan like what
A
you want
person
to
with
do.
no plan should not even ask me where I am. Because
हाँ.
I'm not doing you, so I'm just happy.
He's a 10 but he says that's what I am saying.
Okay.
He's a 10 but he says let's go with the flow.
I can't go with the flow.
He's a minus for me.
Go with the flow. क्या periods है क्या?
आपसे मिलेंगे.
हाँ, ये नहीं हो पाएगा. I'm sorry, we are not going with the flow. I would like you to go with the flow or दफा हो जाओ. 10. हाँ. If guys think they are 10 with such personality,
They are gay. He's a 10 but he can't take good pictures.
you can always train a guy. You can always train a man. I feel.
That is true.
So he could be a 10.
He's a 10 but he calls his ex crazy. Yeah, even
If
I
I
know.
would crazy, like
Crazy
must be
for
crazy,
me.
or must be crazy that he left me or I left him. So it's like, हाँ ठीक है चलता है. तेरी
He
ex.
was crazy in love with me.
He was crazy in general. Now that we are not together, I would say that. Then
He was.
it's a 10, but his playlist is mid.
Nah,
हाँ. How come a person can ever be 10 if the playlist doesn't have
Imagine you're going on a car
any
ride or
Himesh Reshammiya song if the
and you're
person
not
doesn't-
enjoying the songs.
Then
ऐसा
what's the
इतना
point of
घाव
that
चला
ride?
रखा है. हाँ.
What's the point of that
हाँ,
ride?
मैं तो गाने सुनने ही जाती हूँ यार. He's a 10 but he thinks bare minimum is impressive.
I doesn't know what bare minimum is and what is princess treatment, then I don't think कि वो 10 क्या वो किसी के भी आसपास होना चाहिए. Girls don't deserve it. So gay men can have him.
हम ना बहुत ही
हम कैंसिल हो जाएंगे पहले से.
बेचारे का YouTube में start. He's a 10 but he's scared of confident women. वो किसी से नहीं बनेगी, इसकी तो चलेगी ही नहीं.
हाँ.
She knows what she wants.
And somehow men confuses a confident woman with someone
Just नहीं करेगी.
हाँ.
He's a 10 but he follows 3,000 girls. Yuck.
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 I am not comfortable. Yeah, your points, your views on this.
Yeah, even for me also, I'm not gonna date a man who has like n number of followers.
And then I have this respect for people who are like कि हम Instagram ही नहीं चलाते.
है ना, it's like
ये देखा
हाँ,
and he's
it's
like
like
wait, लॉग इन कर लेता.
हाँ, और मतलब मेरे को अच्छा लगता है जो स्पेशली इंस्टाग्राम में मैंने रील्स भेजी होती है और है ना दे टेक लाइक आवर्स और डेज टू रिवर्ट.
हाँ, you have a life.
हाँ, you have a life. I am impressed.
I have it.
Take me home. But I know a guy. तो when I stalked him तो उसके following list में there were all girls only. All girls. It was such a turn
He
off.
can never be a 10. आवाज तो नहीं आई ना, इतना तो कोई कह ही देगा. तुम्हें तो पता है कि नहीं चलाता इंस्टाग्राम, पर मैं सारी रील अपनी, सारी तो नहीं पर जो मेरे को अच्छी लगती है तो आई शेयर की हाउ इज इट एंड द पर्सन विल गो एंड लाइक इट. इतना ठीक है, इतना कर रहा है तू मेरे लिए, तू बैठ के टाइम पास नहीं कर रहा है इंस्टाग्राम पे, सो इट्स गुड. आई एम
हाँ.
हैप्पी.
He's a 10 but he argues with Google Maps. Oh.
आर्ग्यूज विद गूगल मैप्स नहीं समझी मैं.
ऐसे कि मतलब तू हैंडल कर रही है गूगल मैप ना तो बट समवेयर तूने कुछ फकअप किया हो या फिर कुछ भी एंड ही गेट्स वेरी एजिटेटेड कि है ना कि तुमको मैप नहीं देखना आता, ये नहीं करना आता, वो नहीं. या इट्स अ माइनस फॉर मी.
आई डोंट लाइक
क्या है?
बीइंग इन अ पोजीशन कि मुझे डायरेक्शंस बतानी पड़े.
भैया यहाँ से लेफ्ट ले
All
लेना.
my rapidos are trained.
भैया को मेरा घर पता है.
He's a 10, but he romanticizes being emotionally unavailable.
What is the point of you being in my life?
हाँ,
क्यों
you
चाहिए
don't need a
भाई?
person then.
भाई.
आप मरो अकेले.
हाँ, पर हमें परेशान मत करो. He's a 10 but he disappears and calls it needing space. I think that is me. Please join NASA.
Yeah, exactly.
He's a 10 but he thinks accountability is an attack. Minus. Because sometimes people
Why do I think everyone is a minus for us? Like, are we
ये
gonna die
guys are-
single? Like,
क्या
not
करें?
living single, but
अभी तो लिविंग सिंगल भी है. अकाउंटेबिलिटी इज नॉट एन अटैक. चाहे वो कहीं किसी भी सिचुएशन में हो, इट्स लाइक यू आर पॉइंटिंग आउट द अदर पर्सनस बिहेवियर के बिकॉज इट इम्पैक्टेड यू एंड यू एक्नॉलेज इट, यू एक्सेप्ट इट एंड यू ट्राई नॉट टू डू इट अगेन. इट्स नॉट एन अटैक. they are only telling you out of love. He's a 10 but he ghosts and comes back like nothing happened. Fucker.
person does not deserve to be in our life.
हाँ,
Ghosting करनी है तो कहीं और जाओ. कब्रों
बहुत
में
लोग
रहो.
हैं. रात को सड़कों पे घूम
He's a 10, but he sends reels
instead of communicating.
Then you are not a 10 for me. You could be 10 for someone else, but for me you can never be a 10 if you.
Somewhere related to each other. In a way, ठीक है. It's also a way of communicating, but just sending reels and not communicating is not acceptable.
इस रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप में नहीं होना चाहिए. दोस्तों के साथ कर लो आप अपना,
हाँ, हाँ.
भाई बहनों में कर लो अपना कि तुम बात नहीं कर पा
भाई बहनों में तो रील्स ही शेयर होती है बात.
भाई.
हाँ. और क्या हो सकता है?
He's a 10, but he says bro mid argument. I understand some people are used to of speaking bhai, bro. But do it with your bros, not with your hoes.
आपका फ्लो में आपकी बातें निकलती है तो.
Consider me as a bro. If you are doing something with me, we are bros.
हाँ. Oh, he's a 10 but he's late and extremely confident about it. I hate it. It's like a pet peeve for me. I hate waiting for people. चल ठीक है, मैक्स 15 मिनट तक समझ में आता है. यार, waiting half an hour, 1 hour, and I've been in that situation
That's
where
what I
I've
was about
waited.
to ask. Like,
I've been in this situation. I hated
I don't think
every
I've
bit
ever
of
been in
it.
a situation. Try to respect people's
People's time, no?
हाँ,
Why?
तो और अगर कभी होता भी है तो वो ये बिहेवियर मैं सिर्फ अपने ऑफिस वालों के साथ रखती हूँ because they deserve it.
They deserve it. It's like a pet peeve for me कि मेरे से when you confront them. हाँ, मतलब when you confront them, they'll act so casual about it. It's like कि भाई at least be sorry for it because
पॉजिटिव नहीं है ना, सारे नेगेटिव.
सारे.
We'll do a part 2 for the other one.